Hey YouTube, this is your favorite blind auntie, and the video that is about to proceed after my little introduction is about my guide dog Sam and how we went for a walk, how some would like to say he's walking me because he's guiding me, but he was guiding me on our stroll, and they had a car that was parked on the sidewalk. So I want to show you guys how he is able to guide me safely without running into something, and how he slows down as he guides to make sure that I'm going to be okay. But before I continue, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit that little notification bell. Now here we go.
Right on. Straight on. Straight on. Good to watch. Let's go. Sort it out.
Okay, when we got right here, he slowed down.
Way to go, Sam.